got sunshine on a cloudy day. Are you ready to have some fun? I'm gonna need your help on this one. We're gonna do a play along with a killer backing track to the song My Girl. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. This one is gonna be a blast. We're gonna have so much fun playing this song, but I appreciate you being here. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And if you like this video, smash that like button. All right, so this is a play along to My Girl. This is not a tutorial. I do have a full tutorial video on it if you need help with all the chords, and there's a lot of chords, the key change, the strum pattern with mutes, all that kind of stuff. I have a full tutorial. This one, we're just gonna play with the killer backing track that we have. By the way, I'm gonna be doing this one on my Koloha I My Kalana 6-string. This is not a guitar, this is a 6-string ukulele with a double A string and double C string. Check them out, store.ukelikethepros.com. If you want one of these by yourself, they're very limited. They don't make that many, but I do have a couple over there hanging out at the shop. Okay, so play along. If you want the lyrics and the chords to this, we'll put a link below. You can go get that. Just sign up. You can go get that. And if you want the backing track, you want a little bit more help, become a patron, ukelikethepros.com/Patreon. Nope, that's not it. That's not the right one. Patreon.com/ukelikethepros. There it is. And you get the backing track and get all the benefits of being a Patreon with us here. All right, are you ready? Let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna play the whole song, sing the lyrics, sing the words, have fun, do the key change, everything. Come on, let's go. You can do it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you say, what could make me feel this way? My girl, I'm talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees they envy me. I've got a sweeter song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say, what could make me feel this way? My girl, I'm talking about my girl, my girl. Hey, hey, hey. Or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, any man can claim. Well, I guess you say, what could make me feel this way? My girl, I'm talking about my girl, my girl. Ooh, I've got sunshine on a cloudy day with my girl. I even got the month of May with my girl. How'd you do on that one? It's a lot. It's a lot of chords, and it's got that key change, got a couple different strum patterns, but you can handle it. I know you can. If you need help, don't forget to check out the tutorial on it. And yeah, let me know below how you do. 1 being you need some work, 5 being you nailed it, and then whatever. Maybe you're somewhere in between. Maybe you're 2, a 3, or a 4, but leave a comment below. So, all right, that's going to do it for this one. Again, if you want The chords and lyrics, we'll put a link to that below. If you want the backing track and all that stuff, just check out our Patreon page, Uke Like the Pros. So that's going to do it for me. Be safe. Take care of one another. Thank you for the support. We'll see you next time.